Hey you guys, this is me making the video. I got a few questions from you because the videos from Khan Academy maybe didn't walk you through completely on how to factor using the GCF. So I thought I'd walk you guys through it. So the first thing you're going to do is find the GCF. When we're finding the GCF, we're looking at what goes into both of these terms. So in this case, we know 2 goes into both of our coefficients. And then for our variable, always take the lowest exponent. Okay, so 2 goes into both for our coefficients, and for our exponents, we're going to look at the lowest exponent. So we're going to say that this GCF is 2a to the 4th. Okay, then we're going to factor out using that GCF. So I recommend show yourself dividing this. Okay, and this will kind of help set us up for later on too. So if I divide by 2a to the 4th for both of those, I know 2 divided by 2 is 1, and a to the 4th divided by a to the 4th is also 1, so I know that this is going to give me 1. When I divide here, 4 divided by 2 is going to give me 2. And a to the 7th divided by a to the 4th, remember I'm going to subtract those exponents, so I have 7 minus 4, giving me a to the 3rd. So when I go to write my answer, I'm going to write that GCF out in front of the parentheses. 2a to the 4th is in front of the parentheses. And then I'm going to write my, what I have up here, my 2 terms. So 1 plus 2a cubed. Okay, let's see if I can kind of zoom in on that for you guys so you can see it a little bit better. So that's what I got for my work. All right, now we're going to come over here to this problem. Similar, just more going on. All right. So I'm going to look through all 4 of these terms. Looking at all of my terms, I want to know what is the GCF, so what goes into all of them. I always like starting with a coefficient first. So 18, 45, 99, and 90. I know that all of those are multiples of 9. So I know my GCF for my coefficient is going to be 9. Okay, now I'm going to go through the x's. I have x, x, x squared, and x cubed. Remember, I'm looking for my lowest exponent, so I'm going to pull x as my GCF. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the y's. I'm going to go through the y's, and I'm looking for my lowest exponent. Lowest exponent is y squared. So we're going to pull that out. Now we're going to divide each term by 9xy squared, since that is our GCF. (18) divided by 9 gives me 2. X divided by x is 1. Y cubed divided by y squared. Remember, I'm going to subtract those exponents. So, sorry, that's a 2. So I get y to the 1st. That's going to become 2y. 45 divided by 9 is 5. X divided by x is 1. Y squared divided by y squared is 1. 99 divided by 9 is 11. X squared divided by x, again, I'm going to subtract, so that gives me x. Y squared divided by y is 1. And then here for the last one, 90 divided by 9 is 10. X cubed divided by x, I'm going to subtract that exponent, giving me x squared. Y squared divided by y squared is 1. Now these signs here are just going to come right up and stay the same. Okay, so then when I write this answer, I have my GCF. My GCF here was 9xy squared. Then 2y for that first term, plus 5 for the second term, minus 11x for my third term, plus 10x squared for my last term. And now I factored using the GCF. All right, you guys, remember, reach out to me if you need help. I will see you for office hours if you have questions, or I can create another video for you. So just let me know what you need.